a pleasant day. To all our listeners, you are turned into the Tech Rescue Hub. I am your host, Princess Angel Alagkawili. We all know that laptops are essential for our daily lives. But what happens when they fail us? And because life, just like tech, can be complicated, I'll be sharing some heart-to-heart reflections along the way. Let's get started. Fifth, a keyboard or touchpad that is not working. You type or click, but nothing happens. This is often caused by driver of corruption or a loose internal ribbon cable. Troubleshoot by restarting and entering the BIOS menu to see if the case worked there. The recommended solution is to reinstall the drivers or reconnect the internal cables. Safety tip: be very gentle. These ribbon cables are extremely fragile. Masakit kapag ibinigay mo na ang lahat ng input mo, pero wala kang nakukuhang sagot. Kung putol na ang connection, huwag mo nang ipilit, itipa ang sarili mo sa buhay nila. There you have it. 8 laptop fixes and a little bit of life advice to keep you going. Whether it's a broken screen or a broken heart, there's always a way to fix it. Or better yet, a way to move forward. Once again, I am Princess Angel Alagkawili. Thank you for listening to the Tech Rescue Hub. Stay smart, stay guided, and stay connected. Goodbye.